This shift is quiet, fast, and already changing how Americans earn online. Traditional gig work feels stable until it suddenly does not. What if freelancers are being replaced without noticing? Why are clients choosing algorithms over people? How did AI freelancers appear almost overnight? The answer is not what headlines suggest. This video breaks down the real shift happening now. It affects designers, writers, marketers, and assistants. It also creates new opportunities most miss. Stay with me, because one detail later reframes everything. Gig platforms once rewarded time and effort. Today they reward speed, scale, and systems. AI delivers all three instantly. That changes who wins contracts. Many workers still compete manually. AI freelancers operate differently. They sell outcomes, not hours. That difference matters more each month. You might already be competing against them. Or you could become one. First, understand what AI freelancing actually means. It is not bots replacing all humans. It is humans using AI as leverage. One person now does the work of 10. Clients notice results, not process. This trend started quietly in 2023. It accelerated across the United States in 2024. Small businesses adopted it first. Agencies followed quickly. Now enterprise teams are testing it. Traditional gig work relies on manual tasks. Think writing articles, editing videos, managing inboxes. These tasks are repeatable. AI excels at repeatable work. Freelancers who ignore that lose bids. Those who adapt raise prices. AI freelancing replaces effort with orchestration. The freelancer becomes a system manager. Tools do execution. Humans handle strategy and taste. This model scales without burnout. It also shortens delivery times. Clients love speed. Speed wins contracts. Consider a US startup launching next week. They need copy, visuals, and ads fast. An AI freelancer delivers in hours. A traditional gig worker needs days. The choice becomes obvious. Price becomes secondary. Platforms like Upwork show this shift clearly. High earners bundle AI into services. They promise faster turnaround. They promise consistent quality. They quietly use AI behind scenes. Clients rarely ask how. They ask when it is ready. This creates a new freelance class. Smaller teams with bigger output. The door is open right now. Step 1 is choosing a niche. AI freelancers do not offer everything. They specialize narrowly. Examples include email marketing or short videos. Narrow focus improves AI results. Next is building an AI workflow. This is where leverage appears. Tools like ChatGPT handle drafts. Midjourney generates visuals quickly. 11 Labs creates natural voiceovers. The freelancer connects these steps. Clients see a single service. Behind it is automation. Notion AI organizes prompts and processes. Zapier connects tools together. This reduces manual effort further. Once built, the system repeats. Each project becomes easier. Income disconnects from time. That is the real replacement. Traditional gig workers trade hours. AI freelancers trade systems. Systems scale. Hours do not. Pricing changes accordingly. Many AI freelancers charge per outcome. For example, per video or campaign. Clients accept outcome pricing. It simplifies budgets. It aligns incentives. This model fits US businesses well. They value predictable delivery. They value clear results. Freelancing provides both. Marketing services adopted it fastest. Content creation followed. Customer support is next. Virtual assistants are transforming. Handles scheduling and replies. Humans oversee exceptions. This reduces staffing needs. Businesses quietly restructure. Freelancers feel pressure first. Many think competition increased. Actually, productivity increased. Freelancers submit better proposals. They show samples faster. They iterate instantly. Clients reward that. If this is useful, follow the channel now and enable alerts. We break down shifts before they become obvious. Back to the mechanics. Learning prompts matters more than degrees. Freelancers invest time up front. They test outputs carefully. They refine instructions. Quality control stays human. This protects reputation. Over time, trust compounds. Referrals increase. Platforms amplify top performers. Algorithms favor fast responders. Makes fast easy. This creates a feedback loop. Early adopters pull ahead. Late adopters struggle. This mirrors past tech shifts. Think spreadsheets replacing bookkeepers. Or email replacing fax work. Jobs changed, not vanished. Freelancing is doing the same. Resistance feels logical. Adaptation pays better. Many Americans fear AI saturation. The reality is uneven adoption. Most freelancers still work manually. That gap is opportunity. Clients pay for reliability. Improves reliability. Especially under tight deadlines. Legal and ethical lines still matter. Disclosure depends on contract terms. Results usually matter more. Freelancing rewards responsibility. Sloppy automation fails quickly. Good systems last. This is not passive income. It is leveraged income. Skill shifts from doing to directing. That mental shift is hardest. Once accepted, progress accelerates. Tools evolve monthly. Systems update easily. Manual skills age faster. Freelancers who build systems stay relevant. Those who do not feel replaced. The market is not cruel. It is efficient. Efficiency favors leverage. Is leverage. The next wave involves agents. Agents handle multi-step tasks. Early users gain advantage. Businesses will expect it. Freelancers should prepare now. Experiment on small projects. Document what works. Turn it into a repeatable service. This approach fits solo workers. It also fits small teams. Geography matters less. US clients hire globally. Speed and clarity decide. Improves both. The biggest risk is waiting. The biggest cost is inaction. Change rarely announces itself. It just compounds quietly. Today is an early chapter. 6 months looks different. 1 year looks unrecognizable. Freelancing will still exist. It will just look smarter. Those who adapt lead. Those who resist follow. Pay attention to patterns. Watch client behavior. Follow where money flows. Freelancing sits at that intersection. The tools links are given in the description. Use them intentionally. Build something defensible. Not just another gig. Think like an operator. Act like a consultant. Let AI handle repetition. Your value becomes judgment. Judgment compounds over time. That is hard to replace. This shift rewards calm thinking. Panic leads to bad choices. Curiosity leads to leverage. Keep learning in small steps. Test without quitting everything. Momentum beats motivation. Results beat opinions. The next video goes deeper. We will map real workflows. You will see practical setups. Nothing theoretical. If you want that edge, stay connected. Subscribe now. Turn on notifications. New breakdowns drop weekly. Missing one means falling behind. Freelancing is not hype. It is already replacing old models. You choose your position. Compete harder or compete smarter. The tools are neutral. Strategy decides outcomes. Time favors early movers. Clarity beats speed alone. Combine both. That combination wins contracts. Watch the market closely. Adapt before pressure hits. Build leverage deliberately. Protect your energy. Scale your impact. Freelancing is evolving. This channel tracks that evolution. We focus on signals, not noise. Stay curious. Stay practical. Stay ahead of the curve. The next shift is closer than expected. Preparation makes it profitable. Ignoring it makes it painful. Choice exists right now. Decide intentionally. Systems beat hustle. Leverage beats hours. Accelerates both. Use it wisely. Thanks for watching. More insights are coming. The future favors builders. Make sure you are one. See you in the next breakdown.